In this example, I will show you how to isolate the required part. First, let's set the configuration. Then, go to Tools and choose Options. From Part Infrastructure, in the General button, make sure the Keep Link with Selected Object is selected. Then confirm the modifications. As you see, we have Part 3.1 and Part 2.1. They are linked to Sketch 1, which is represented by these small green gears and chains. First, let's modify Sketch 1. Then, double-click it. Let's move the left side. Exit the sketcher. Now, we need to click the Update icon, but you see, it is not active. Then, go to Start, and select Mechanical Design. Then select Assembly Design. Now double-click the main product. As you see, the Update icon becomes active now. You may wonder why it becomes active after entering the assembly design. The product structure is a supporting workbench for the assembly design, dealing with the architecture of the product and not the geometrical database, which means changing these data will not be noticeable in this workbench. Click the Update icon. As you see, both of Part 3.1 and 2.1 are modified. That's because both parts depend on the skeleton part 1.1. Now, let's see how to make the modifications, impacting Part 3.1 only, or in other words, isolating Part 2.1. Then, right-click Part 2.1 and choose Component. Select Isolate Part. As you see, the icon has no chain now, and the small gear changed from green to yellow, which means the part is not linked anymore. Double-click Sketch 1. Let's modify it, and then exit the sketcher. As you see, this time, only Part 3.1 has changed red in the geometry space. Double-click Product 1, and then update the document. You see now, only Part 3.1 is modified,